Dementia. Introduction. Is dementia a normal part of the aging process? Select yes or no. Correct. Dementia is not a normal part of the aging process. Dementia may cause changes to or problems with which of the following? Choose one of the following options. 1. Ability to communicate. 2. Ability to think clearly. 3. Personality. 4. All of the above. Correct. Dementia can affect a wide range of physical, emotional, and social functions. All dementias get worse over time. Select true or false. Correct. Some forms of dementia get worse over time, but non-progressive dementias may get better if the underlying cause is treated. Diagnosing the cause of dementia is a fast, easy process. Select true or false. Correct. Diagnosing dementia can be a challenge. It may require several visits to the doctor. This is because there are many possible causes of the symptoms associated with dementia. All cases of dementia are treated in the same way. Select true or false. Correct. Having a risk factor for dementia means that you will get dementia. Select true or false. Correct. Not everyone who has a risk factor develops dementia. Some people with no risk factors develop dementia. There is no way to lower your risk for dementia. Select true or false. Correct. Maintaining an active mind and body decreases the risk for dementia.
Thank you for using Explain.